Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. In this video we will demonstrate the complete process of connecting the G30 remote controller to a Windows computer via Wi-Fi and accessing the Mission Planner ground control station. First, on the G30 remote controller, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, tap Hotspot and Tethering, select Wi-Fi sharing and enable this function. On this page you can configure the Wi-Fi security mode, customize the Wi-Fi name and connection password, and choose the appropriate Wi-Fi frequency band based on your operating environment. The G30 remote controller supports 3 selectable frequency bands. Once the settings are complete, a wireless hotspot will be created. Next, turn on your Windows laptop, find the Wi-Fi network created by the G30 in the wireless network list, and connect to it to establish a stable network connection with the remote controller. After the Wi-Fi connection is successful, open the Mission Planner ground control software. Set the baud rate to 57,600, select TCP as the connection type, and then click Connect. In the pop-up parameter window, enter the IP address 192.168.43.1 and confirm. Then enter 5760 in the port field and confirm again to complete the telemetry connection. Once the connection is established, you can gently move the aircraft and observe the attitude display in the Mission Planner interface on the computer. You will see the aircraft status data updating in real time. During motor testing, the aircraft can correctly execute control commands sent from the ground station, and the remote controller's stick channel feedback is also displayed normally. This confirms that the entire link from the G30 remote controller to the Windows version of Mission Planner via Wi-Fi is functioning properly. Thank you for watching. If there is more content you would like to learn about, please follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.